In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add hashtags on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off we can open up Instagram and then go to our profile. Then we can tap at this plus sign and select post. After that we can choose some picture from our phone's gallery. Then we can hit at next again, and that's where we can edit our post. We can change all these settings, especially a caption. In the caption we can add hashtags. To do that, just tap right here at that hashtag symbol and then just start typing some hashtag, and it will immediately show you suggested hashtags for the hashtag you have already entered. We can select which, or we can also start typing Halloween just like that, and then we can choose any hashtag from that list, or we can continue typing our hashtag until we find one in the suggested. After that we can choose it, and once we've done with that we can just hit at OK. After that we can change any other settings and then just share this post on our Instagram profile. That's how you can easily add hashtags on Instagram. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.